Hello, this is Alex Siegel, the Master of Runes. In this video I will show you the 4 most popular money magic rune formulas. The first rune formula is Dagas Fehu. This is one of the most popular money magic rune formulas because of its simplicity. It consists out of 2 runes, Dagas and Fehu. Dagas means a new stage, a beginning of something new, an enlightenment, a process of cleansing and transformation, such that something significantly better comes into the future. And Fehu represents what exactly this change is related to. So this change is related to finance, to growth, into positive dynamic and the energy of money. Use this rune formula if you need an improvement in your money energy, in your finances, but be warned that rune Dagas represents a new stage. So if you have a job that you like, the rune Dagas will change the job. So use this rune formula if you don't like how it is right now in your life and you want a change that will require you to move into some kind of a new stage, new direction. The second rune formula is 3 Fehu runes. The rune Fehu is the rune of wealth, rune of material energy, rune of money energy in general. Using it 3 times makes it extremely powerful. You can use this rune formula for any work related to money energy. But also be warned that the triple power of the rune Fehu is too powerful. Sometimes it can be way too powerful. For example, if someone has energetic blocks related to money, this rune formula will brutally destroy these blocks. That may not be a good thing, so be careful with this rune formula. Another popular rune formula is the runes for urgent money. Fehu, Yera, Fehu. Yera is the rune of the earth element, a rune of the cycle of nature, rune of harvest, rune of receiving positive results for your work. So, the double rune Fehu and the rune Yera will enforce the energetic harvest of your actions to manifest in an urgent way, in a way of money. And the fourth universal money magic rune formula is Fehu, Kenas, Wunyo. It follows a simple formula when you put the rune Wunyo in the last position, signifying that the result of this formula will bring you joy, because Wunyo represents joy, success and fulfillment. Fehu is the rune of money and wealth. Kenas is the rune of the passion, fire and energy. So overall, this rune formula will bring passion, fire and energy and growth into the area of money, and the result will be positive, such that you enjoy, such that it is pleasant for you. So these 4 rune formulas are the most popular, the most widely used rune formulas in related to the money magic.